At the end of the experiment, the students must be able to accomplish each procedure with understanding of apparatuses and safety steps, determine present composition of copper and chlorine in the compound, and solve for the empirical formula of the unknown substance.
Knowing how to use mole concept to determine the moles of elements to be used in situations when given mass of something such as copper and chlorine. Understanding and the ability to calculate what percent each element has in a composition such as copper and chlorine in copper chloride compound. Knowing how to solve for the empirical formula for a compound of unknown substance such as this scenario of copper chloride.
During the experiment, we encountered some errors which we took note of, these being that after being put in the oven, yellow tints run the filter paper, which is the result of not completely washing off the chlorine after the aluminum rusting procedure. We also took note of the fact that the copper is specifically copper 2 due to its color in the water being a tinge of blue and green.
Find the empirical formula, conversion of mass to mole, resulting to a ratio of 3:4, ultimately giving us an empirical formula of copper 3 chloride 4.
Our results are as follows. There are 0.02 moles of water, there are 0.01 moles of copper, and there are 0.01 moles of chlorine. The formula for the compound is Cu3Cl4 plus 8H2O.
The final result is ultimately affected by weighing the materials, contents, and the like, which are part of the experiment. This enables one to obtain the closest possible idea of the unknown substance. By calculating the masses of the substances while utilizing simple subtraction, one can then garner accuracy. The chemical formula of the compound can be done by dividing each answer of moles by the smallest and multiplied until whole to complete the formula. Upon further research and discovery, the actual empirical formula must be CuCl2. Errors that cannot necessarily be cancelled out during the experiment can truly affect the outcome of results. Even the smallest decimal errors give inaccuracies on the discovery of empirical formula and the rest of the findings.
Key topics found in this experiment are important in many other necessities for scientific finding and procedures. An example is that mole concept can be applied almost anywhere for specificities and inaccuracies to be prevented in medicine and biology, as it combines the necessity of perfection, understanding of processes. Medicine in the cases of drug creation for the results to be accurate. Another key concept mentioned is the ability to solve for the empirical formula, which can greatly benefit, or rather is the next step into finding the molecular formula of the founder-given equation. Essentially, the experiment is not solely applied into chemistry, though it is the most fit. It can subtly be applied hidden in daily life for said living to be normal.